Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Calm Life portable waist fan. I've already been using this for 2 months now, and this is a great portable waist fan to have when you're working outside, if you're camping, or even if you're indoors and you need a personal fan. So let me show you how this product looks and all the features that it has. So this is how the product looks. You have your first clip right here, so you could clip this either going like up, or if you want to clip it downward like so. This is where the fan comes out, or the air. This has 5 different speeds. Right here is your power button. This is where you charge it with the USB-C. So here's another clip, and then it even has a third clip if you want to have it standing up like so. And it comes with this neck lanyard if you want to hang this around your neck. So then on this side is the LED light, and in here you can even use this as a power bank to charge your USB powered devices. So when you first turn it on, you're gonna press it once. So this is the first level. It goes up to 5 levels, and it shows your battery percentage right here. So this is the first level, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and then it turns off. If you long press it, then the LED light goes on. It's very bright. If you long press it again, then it flashes. Long press it, and then it turns it off. It comes with this USB-C cord that you could use to charge your phone. Put that in, put this inside, and you can see how it's charging it. The battery life on this lasts a good 2 or 3 hours. So the first way to use it, you could put this around your neck, like so, and then you turn it on, and then you get the cool air coming upward around your neck and your face area. If you want to use it another way, you use the belt clip and you put it inside like so. You could do it this way, and the air will hit you from the outside, or if you want to put your shirt over it, you get all the cool air coming from inside your shirt. You're also able to put this on your back like so, and then all the cool air is hitting on the back. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great portable waist fan. I like how you're able to wear this in different ways, either with the clips, the freestanding mode, and even around your neck with a lanyard. I also like how there's 5 different speeds on here, and it shows your battery life. And I also like how you're able to use this as a power bank and an LED flashlight. So this is a great product to have if you're outdoors a lot and you need to stay cool.